Hi! In today's video we're gonna make shorts, and I promise you it's a very easy way to make them. First, we need 1.5 meters fabric and we cut the ends of it. 1.5 meters wide and 15 centimeters long. In stores, the fabric has already the 1.5 meters wide, so you will only need to buy 50 centimeters. We are using this fabric. Depending on where you live, it can be called as manta, raw cotton, or coarse cotton. This is 100% cotton and it's perfectly fresh for the beach weather. We're also gonna need 1.5 meters decoration band or ornaments for the ends of the shorts. In addition, we also need elastic band. This short is a one size fits all, small, medium or large, and the maximum size of the waist can be 108 centimeters. So we need 80 centimeters of elastic band. Remember that you need to reduce approximately 30% of the total size of the waist so it can fit perfectly. Of course, we need thread matching the fabric. This is a light yellow. Perfect. So now let's begin. The first thing we have to do is fold the fabric in 4 parts, just like this. We are gonna make a mark from the corner. I'm using a pen with a dark color. Please do not do this at home. I need to do it like this in order for you to see clearly and so the camera can remark it, but you need to use a light color one. This ruler is 5 centimeters wide, the exact measure that we need, and I'm marking it from the top to the bottom, stopping at 30 centimeters, right here. And we make a rectangle from here. We cut it all together so we can have 4 pieces of fabric. So this rectangle is 30 centimeters wide and 5 centimeters long. Now we're gonna make the inseam piece of the shorts. We go up 5 centimeters and make a circle connection with free hand, and we cut it. And now from this corner we mark 4 centimeters and we connect it with free hand to make sure the inner part of the legs are even, and we cut it. Now we have the inseam parts of the front part. And now I take 2 pieces out of the 4. I measure 5 centimeters and make a mark. And with a ruler, I connect this mark with the opposite corner. Remember, 5 centimeters and connect here. And now Very carefully, I grab these two pieces and cut them.
Dos telas, solo dos. Incluso si se les facilita y para evitar cortar las cuatro.
If you feel that you can have problems by cutting them, you can also fold them and cut them like this until the ends of it.
Solo dos, de esta manera, hasta el doblez. Ahí está, ya las corté. Ahora voy a recorrer esta que está más recortada.
Now we are going to move these two pieces that we just cut.
Más hacia atrás.
5 centimeters from the initial position. We have to make sure that this is aligned with the bottom part.
Y solamente recorro 5 centímetros más.
We did this so we can obtain the bark part of the shorts in a very easy way, and so we can have a larger inseam for this part. We cut this and we need to make a seamless connection.
Y los voy a afinar en el tiro al mismo nivel. Ahí está.
Perfect. Now we have the front and back part. We make a little cut right here so we can know that that's the middle part.
Aquí ya tendría marcados los cuartos. ¿Estarán de acuerdo conmigo? Una costura.
So this is the first part, second part, and the middle of it. It's important to make this because we also need to do it on the elastic end. We are going to use the sewing machine in a bit. And we are gonna sew the elastic right here to close it, one on the top of the other with a straight stitching.
Así. Después de eso yo voy a marcar una mitad o un punto.
Now we mark the halves of it. This one, the second one, and we put them together, and now we mark quarters.
Y serían cuartos. Tengo cuartos.
So we have quarters on the elastic and quarters on the fabric pieces. I'm gonna stretch the elastic until it fits with the marks of the fabric.
Con mi short. Muy bien. Ya tengo cortado mi short y vamos a pasar a confeccionarlo.
And now we're gonna put all together by sewing. I promise you this is a very fast and easy thing to do. First, we sew the inseams of the back part. Leave the seam allowance of 1 centimeter. We rivet at the beginning and continue sewing until the end. We rivet again. This is the back part. You can notice it because it's larger than the other. Now it's time for the front part, and we repeat the same process. So now we have the front and back parts sewed all together. And we're gonna sew this with the overlock sewing. Okay, now we're using the overlock sewing machine. Here you can see the back part and now the front part. Now that we have it in both parts, we are gonna put the elastic band. Remember that we add marks, these ones right here. We start in the back part. Remember that it's the larger one. We sew all together with the overlock and we connect the marks so it can match later. And we stretch the elastic until it fits with the fabric. Sew it right at the end of the fabric, slowly, so it can be done beautifully. Now that we're finished, we're also gonna sew the seams. Make sure that they match and start. Also, sew the ends of the leg. Please be careful with your fingers while doing this. Now, we have the ends perfectly sewed with the elastic. Now, on the inseam, we're gonna add a straight stitching because we just sewed with the overlock before. And remember the seam allowance of 1 centimeter. You can guide yourself with the marks that the machines have. Now everything is looking great with the sewing. If you remember, the union with the elastic band, it's on the back of the shorts. So now we are gonna sew these two parts so it can't move apart later. Here you can now put the label. This has two important functions. You can show your brand if you already have one and makes a great presentation. And also it shows which one is the back part, so it's easier for customers while using it and prevent them to put them on the wrong side. We as designers or dressmakers know the difference between the front and bottom, but sometimes customers don't. I really want you to be careful in this part. Make sure that the fabric is perfectly stretched, otherwise the fabric will show on the elastic side and it will not look pretty at all. So stretch it, sew it right in the middle of the overlock seam and make sure the fabric is on place. Just like this, very carefully. Great! Now we have the elastic band perfectly placed. Everything's sewed, and the only thing left is the placement of the ornaments on the ends of the legs.
En la pierna. Aquí lo tenemos ya. Les comentaba que es un short de una talla, pues unitalla, entonces es grandecito.
The legs
Las
are
piernas
big,
están un poco amplias
so
para
it
una
can be
talla
comfortable
pequeña,
for all the
pero
sizes.
para una talla
Also,
grande les va a
if
quedar
you're a
muy
small
bien.
size, you can
Incluso
reduce
pues
the
si este se
first
les hace
rectangle
muy
that we
grande,
made
ustedes pueden hacer lo
5
mismo,
centimeters,
pero
and
para
the
cada
shorts will
talla,
be
hoy que
slimmer
hicimos
if
nuestro
you have
presupuesto
the
de
need to it.
65,
You
ustedes
can
pueden
reduce it as
reducirse
much as you
usando de
want.
65 a 60 centímetros y les va a quedar a 5 centímetros más pequeño o reducirlo a 55 según lo necesiten. Vamos a hacer una bastilla de 2 centímetros.
Now we're gonna fold over the ends
Finalmente
and
vamos a
sew them
poner la
to
dama.
make the hem.
Primero hacemos la bastilla. Y finalmente
And finally, we place the ornaments right here on the ends.
tomamos nuestro guipure de esta manera y lo vamos a poner
We take it and place it like this,
hacia el
so
lado.
the details can be shown outside the fabric.
Vamos a coser en medio.
We sew them right in the middle of the flowers.
Así.
Cut the end and finish it.
Y ponemos hasta que llegue ahí. Muy bien, ya tenemos nuestro short.
And now we're finally finished. Here we have the final result. We place it on a mannequin. As you can notice, it looks a little bit big for it because it's a very small size. But remember, this is a one-size-fits-all shorts, and it's meant to be used for a lot of sizes. Remember that this is a very easy way to make them. I'm sure that you're gonna make beautiful shorts too. And I really hope you like this video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel to watch more videos like this. Have a great day. Bye!